An equation that defines y as a function of x is given, which is y plus 2x squared equals 3 minus 5x. In part A, they want us to solve for y in terms of x and then replace y with the function notation f of x. And then part B, they want us to find f of 3 when 3 is the input. So let's take a look at part A. Here is the function it's given, and they want us to solve for y in terms of x and then replace it with the function notation f of x. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to first write out this equation. We have y plus 2x squared, which is equal to 3 minus 5x. Okay, so in order to solve for y, we're going to subtract 2x squared to both sides of this equation. So in step number 2, we can see that y is going to equal, we have negative 2x squared. Okay, I'm going to reorder this minus 5x, then I'm going to write plus 3. And so therefore, there is our equation solving for y. And now they want us to replace y with the function notation f of x. So now the y now becomes f of x, which is equal to negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. So let's go ahead and put that answer in. So we have f of x, which is equal to negative 2. And let's see here. Oops. Let's go ahead and... So 2x squared. And then that's minus 5x. And that's plus 3. Let's check our answer, and there is our result. Now we want to find f of 3. So for part B, we want to find f of 3. Alright, so what does that mean? That means if we're finding f of 3, then 3 is going to represent the input or the value of x. So we're going to write that function again now. So we have f of x, which is equal to negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. And now we want to be able to find f of 3, and therefore that means when 3 now becomes the input. So we're going to replace 3, or replace all the x's to be the value of 3. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have negative 2 times 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 3. So we have negative 2, 3 squared is 9, minus 5 times 3 plus 3. And now we're just using order of operations. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. Negative 5 times 3 is minus 15. And then that's plus 3. And so in this case, negative 18 minus 15 is going to give negative 33 plus 3. And therefore, negative 33 plus 3 is going to be negative 30. So therefore, f of 3 is going to equal negative 30. So let's go ahead and check to make sure. We're going to put in negative 30, check our answer, and there is our result.